I was trying to capture the ghost sounds of the peninsula. From the Chinooks, the Civil War, to the Revolution. The sounds of yesterday were strangely weird. Giving the present a comparative occasion. You question reality?
Once again, just when Nirvana was at reach, an incredible force made of greed and careless to its own species was at work.
Was it a fatal attraction to the sun? The return of Ra? A reset of a planet host? Or a bad joke?
We were fascinated by our own shit and blind to the consequences.
I decided to explore and understand the mystery of our misery.
Winds and hot, dry weather are only
There was no mystery.
We needed to clean our mess if we wanted a respite. Long and tenuous will be the cleaning. It could take few generations, re-education, replanting, reorganizing, Ra. Was it too late?
Was it too late?
We have the ability to stop temperatures from going up. If we got to true net zero, the temperatures on Earth would stop going up with a lag time of as little as 3 to 5 years, almost as if we flipped a switch.
Urine is the big deal, yeah?